While downloading these updates, you might come across different update errors. One of these Windows update errors appears with this code. So if you have the same problem, here's a short video tutorial on how to fix this. Now, most Windows update errors result from conflict between different peripheral devices attached to the system. So as a solution, remove all extra peripheral devices like webcam, scanner, microphone, and etc. After that, reboot the system and try to download the update again. Another thing to check is your available space. You can open the File Explorer and check the available space in the operating system drive. Now, if there's very little available storage, consider clearing all the unnecessary files. Alternatively, you can attach an external drive to move the files and then try to download the update. Another method is to use the built-in troubleshooting application to fix update issues. Do it by opening Settings, choose System, select Troubleshoot, choose Other Troubleshooter, then click Run next to Windows Update. Now the Update Troubleshooter will pop up and look for any available issues. Lastly, enable Windows Update service by opening Services, look for Windows Update, right-click on it, and change the startup type to Automatic. Then, click Start if the service is not running. Once done, you have to click Apply, then choose OK. Now that's how you can fix the following Windows Update error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.